Hi, Moncho. I have been waiting for a long time for this moment. Welcome home, buddy.
Moncho was arrested for drinking and driving while he was with his girlfriend. Following up on Moncho's arrest, we now can confirm he has been transferred to the holding cell. He awaits his trial, and for now, that's all we can say, and his girlfriend refused to comment on the matter.
Now, Moncho is still in prison, sharing a cell with a well-known scammer, Rolio Jack. Now, the wardener does daily routines of the prison, and everyone goes to sleep. I mean, there's nothing else to do in jail. Think about it. The following day, outside Bianca's house, there's an unknown individual holding a bag, and he drops it at the door. Now, Bianca gets hold of the bag and she's curious and she puts it on the table. Now she's opening the bag to see what's happening inside. And boom, there's a lot of money. She's shocked, she's in disbelief, and she's like, where does the money come from? And then in a moment, she checks her phone and bam, there's an SMS which reads, "Hope you got the money. Regards, Detective Friedel." Now that means that Bianca is now rich. On the other side, we have an interesting interview with Abasha Rentals. Here we go.
Welcome to FBK Business Talk Show. Welcome to our show, now straight to business. What is your business model?
I basically own many businesses in property, car rentals, private security, just to name a few.
What's your take on the new law that Forex signals must be regulated?
I don't know, actually. I think all Forex people are scammers. They rent everything.
Thank you for watching us tonight. Have a great night.
Now, Abash's interview is trending and all over the news. Now he's driving in his Rolls Royce going home. And then he gets to the estate and then he parks the gates open. While he's there, an unknown individual called Leadership Monhla pulls up with his M4. And before Abasha knows it, Monhla runs away and Abasha gets off his car trying to find help, and then he falls on the ground and he dies.